WorkShop event, and we're hosting many tour operators from around the world. And here we are with the RS Tours director Rima Baga. Did I say it right?
That's right.
And
Hi.
his co-partner
This is
here.
Samir Baga, co-partner, yeah.
Welcome. And so you're hosted buyers here, and what did you expect? Did you find what you expect? And could you tell us a little bit about the organization here?
Yes, definitely. It's a very good way to promote Istanbul and maybe to bring the country closer. The way we are interacting with them, the way we are promoting the thing, I think we will be able to get this more and more to the weddings and everything here. And it's very easy to get the things.
So you're saying Indians like get wed in Turkey?
Yes, definitely. Why not?
What do you have to say about it?
It's good, although it's the first time we came here, but it's very nice and
Hopefully not the last time.
not
Not
at
at
all, not at all.
We went to Cappadocia also yesterday.
Yes,
yeah.
yesterday.
Well, thank you. We appreciate that.
Thank you so much.
Convention Center with the a great organization for hosted buyers and called B2B WorkShop Events, and we have a representative from
Nigeria.
Nigeria, Ifedayo Andrew Ogunbayo. Did I say it right?
Exactly.
Okay. She is here as a hosted buyer, joining the event and coming from Nigeria, and let's hear what she has to say about the event.
Okay, the event has been wonderful from the airport pickup to the hotel we are staying, to the food we have this morning, and to the type of the caliber of people we have here as exhibitors. I think they chose the right set of people for Turkey, which we need.
That's right.
And I'm happy I'm here from Nigeria, so I can be able to go back home with all these exhibitors and able to bring people to Turkey next time.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Thank you.
Well, you have a nice event then.
Thank you so much.
Murtaza company, and we're hosting him in this B2B Luxury Mice workshop event in Pullman, Istanbul Convention Center. Welcome.
Thank you. So
Is this the first time?
yeah, this is the first time that we have come.
You like Istanbul?
Till now, it's a beautiful city. Still many things to explore.
Apparently, it'll get better for you. What do you think about the event?
It is fabulous, and we have got all people here on one platform, especially hotel groups, tourism, and people here have offered us lovely pricings as well. On the very first meet, they were very humble. They have given us lovely prices and have promised enough to resume this further for our events and requirements.
I'm glad.
We are from India and we are into wedding planners. We have convention centers in India, and Alhamdulillah, God has given a lot of things. But these platforms, yes, we can explore our business more better.
The event goes on with the fam trips. Are you joining in one of them, or?
Yes, we have joined for Antalya.
Okay.
We are going to Antalya tomorrow night, inshallah. And that will be excited to see people there.
Antalya is a great venue with the hotels and everything for the weddings, right?
We will have to explore. I'm going for the first time.
Okay. Well, I hope you the best of luck.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for your time. Nice workshop event, and we have a hosted buyer here from India.
Yeah.
Mr. Neeraj Thakur, the Neeraj Thakur, General Secretary of Telangana Chamber of Events Industry. Did I say it right?
Correct.
Okay, well, welcome to Turkey. Is this first time?
Yeah, this is the first time we are coming to Turkey, although we have been dealing with Turkey for a very short time right now. We have started with Turkey. This is the first time we are visiting.
There is a great interest towards Turkey nowadays from India, right? The weddings and other organizations. What do you say?
Yes, actually in India, you see, because of the weddings happening in Antalya and Cappadocia, Bodrum, all these destinations have a great attraction for the wedding industry in India.
So you came here with what expectations, and did you find what you're looking for so far?
We have just started now, but I should tell you that it's a fantastic forum out here, especially the people who are there. We have the purpose with which we have come to Turkey is almost solved. We at one place we could get all the places representatives at one under one roof, and that is what we expected as event organizers. We are here from India with a delegation of around 11 people. Mostly wedding planners and MICE operators, and we had come with an intention to get more insight into the Turkey industry.
Well, that's great. Well, thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great event.
And thank you.
Convention Center and doing a B2B workshop event, MICE workshop event here, and we're with just the whole world is around coming over here, and we're here with a gentleman, Ben Grudzelski, an independent travel consultant from Mexico. So we would like to ask him what he thinks of the event and how is it going here.
I think it's going really well. I just arrived and I'm a little bit jet lagged, but it's an interesting event. It's very educational for me and it's good to explore new areas. Turkey is exotic for Mexicans, just like Mexico is exotic for Turkish people.
Vice versa.
And it's good to open horizons.
That's right. Bukula, the Enterprise Analytics Director, and his lovely wife Asanda Bukula. Am I correct?
Yes, thank you so much for having us.
Where we are? We are in Istanbul, Turkey, and we are in Pullman Convention Center for B2B MICE luxury event.
Yes.
And you're coming from all the way from South Africa, right?
Yes.
That's amazing. Well, what do you think of the event so far?
We think it's very productive. We've had a lot of meetings already. We've already had a lot of meetings. Very, very eye-opening as well.
Have you ever been to Turkey before, or Istanbul for that matter?
Yes, we've been. This is our third visit.
Our third visit
It
to
is.
Turkey.
Yes, but it's our first time in this kind of environment.
How about the appointments are going?
The appointments are
Your
going
appointments?
Well. Yes, they are going very well actually. We actually also got new other appointments that we hadn't made this morning.
Well, I'm glad. It's great for your business, right?
Well, it is fantastic. You know, we are making very good contacts here, and we're really looking forward to what we can do. We're looking at two kinds of activities in the main. We're looking at corporate incentives and pilgrimage tours, and we're meeting with very, very good people. And so we're really looking forward to establishing business contacts that are going to work for both parties.
You know what I like about South Africa best?
Mandela?
Charlize Theron.
Oh, okay.
I didn't know she was from there, but she is.
Yes.
I was surprised to see such a person. Joke aside, are you going to be joining for one of the fam trips?
Yes, we're actually going to Cappadocia.
Cappadocia. Yes.
Me too. I'll be joining you.
Right. Okay. Lovely.
Yes, sir, ma'am. Well, thank you for your time. I'll see you around.
Very nice.
Okay?
Yes.
Managing Director of Akeem's Group. Am I correct?
Yes, correct.
Well, I'm glad to host you here in B2B Luxury MICE Workshop event. What do you think of the event so far?
It's a very wonderful platform here,
Yes.
which we never expected like this type of event here. And this was the first time we are visiting to Turkey, and it was a wonderful place, then beautiful environment, and then the kind of hospitality and what we are getting and the meeting people, different people here and different country people. It was a very awesome experience. So it's a very glad to be here.
I presume this is not your first time in Istanbul, is it?
Yeah, it's my
It is?
first time in Istanbul.
What do you think of the city?
Yeah, it's a very beautiful city, but we just reached yesterday. Still, we need to explore so many places. So we have been yesterday night to one place. We have tried some desserts. It was an awesome desserts here.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm a very lovely, foodie.
You're gourmet, say. How
Pardon?
about the appointments? Gourmet.
Yes.
You know, because it's when it comes to food, it's Middle Eastern, almost the best.
Oh,
But I like Indian food too.
oh, thank
How
you.
about your appointments so far?
Yeah,
Business contacts?
Yeah, we met a couple of here hotels and some travel agents here. So we have taken some information because we are major into conferences and corporate events. So which we can suggest our companies to come here and conduct some events here. So we have gone some hotels. We have just seen some hotel brochures and all. It was very good hotels and very good information what we are receiving from all the different exhibitors.
Okay, well, I appreciate your time and I hope you have a great event.
Thank you.
Hope to see you in Istanbul again.
Sure. Thank you.
Bye bye.